Hi, I'm Allie Dazzle for We Are Memory Keepers. The holidays are just around the corner and we've got your back when it comes to finding that perfect gift for the crafter in your life. Let us save you some time this holiday season with our online gift guide. You can shop by crafter, you can shop by price, or you can shop by occasion. If you shop by crafter, we've got the perfect gift for the neat freak with our wide selection of storage and organization solutions. We've got great gifts for the trendsetter if you're watching out for the latest tech. We've also got great gifts for the innovative instructor if you have a teacher on your list. And for the hands-on parent, we've got great gifts for those who love to craft with kids. You can also shop by price. We've got a large selection of tools under $15 if you're looking for a stocking stuffer or if you're shopping on a budget this season. There are also tools between $15 and $30 and between $30 and $50. Or if you want to grab that item that you've been saving for all year, we've got some gifts for over $50. If you want to see the products in action, be sure to check out our gift guide playlists here on our YouTube channel, and we'll also link them for you down below. Enjoy shopping this season, and happy holidays to all of you from all of us here at We Are Memory Keepers.